In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix if your Apple ID name at the top of the settings page is grayed out and you can't enter it. If you faced that issue, all you have to do is, I'm going to show you from the beginning. So first off, you need to go to settings. After that, just tap right here at screen time. After that, tap at content and privacy restrictions here. And then scroll down to the very bottom. That's where we need to tap at accounts. The default setting for accounts is allow. However, as you can see in my case, it is set to don't allow. Now guys, all we have to do to fix that issue is set it to allow again, and then I recommend you to wait 5 to 10 seconds until all the changes are applied, and then if we reopen settings app, we can see that it is no longer grayed out, and we can tap on it to view our Apple ID data and to change it. Basically guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.